How's it going, everybody? This is Fast Lane Fixer, and today I'm going to be working on the 18 horsepower go-kart. I got a box of parts. I'm going to show you what I got real quick. I got another belt for the torque converter. I got brake master cylinder right here, and I got the hydraulic brake line, and I got the 40 series rear pulley, because the one that's on there, that is the 30 series, and that's the 40 series driving pulley, and that is the driven pulley, but it was the wrong size, so it was really messing up the belt. So I got this one. These brakes came with the green go-kart. I just didn't use them on it, so I'm gonna use them on here. Brakes that are on there are like, they're just manual brakes. They're not hydraulic, and they don't even have brake pads. So I think I'm gonna try to take that off first. Hey guys, so I got the brakes off, the old ones. Here they are. But instead of putting the new ones on right away, I'm going to put the driven torque converter pulley, and put that on there, and the belt. And my brother wants to try to drive this without any brakes, so I'm gonna put that on there, let him drive it around, hope he doesn't crash. So I got it off and put the new one on. Took a little while to get it off, but I eventually got this on, got the belt on. So my brother right there is going to try it. I don't think I want to drive this thing without brakes, but yeah, so let's see him ride it. Okay, here we go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Why would he go fast that direction?
Oh! I told him it was a bad idea.
Why would he drive over here? Let me kill it. Okay guys, well, this is what happens with no brakes. We took out a fence post. Thankfully nothing too bad happened, but when it hit, it kept spinning, kind of tore up the belt a little bit. But don't drive without brakes, folks.
Well guys, this is what happens when you don't use brakes, like we said. This is carnage. Got a slight bent tie rod. The roll cage was bent a little bit, but we already bent that back. That was pretty easy.
Where'd this go?
Fence is all loose. But yeah, so I think we're going to put brakes on it before we drive it again. So we're just fixing up the fence real quick. Okay, so since I got that spring on there now, and it actually returns to idle properly, now when I press on the throttle and gas, it pulls this, but it doesn't actually push this pull it because it's too strong, and it's not actually getting the throttle back to the carburetor. It's not turning this little thing. So I need to put a stronger spring on here again after I took it off. So I'm gonna find a stronger spring, put it on there, and then see if that works. So guys, I got another spring on there, and I can't really test it because it'll act a little different when it's running. And I don't have gas up here right now, so I'm just gonna have to put that on hold. And I'm gonna see if I can do something with the brakes. How it mounts, you have a piece come down right there, and then it has to be thick enough to clamp down so that it doesn't hit these. So I think I'm gonna have in there just like that. Yeah, I don't quite know what I'm gonna do right now, but I'll figure something out. But yeah. I'm gonna have the brakes right in there, and then I'm gonna weld that pipe right to there and to the other end on there, and then I'm gonna have a piece coming down to attach the brakes. But when I was making this pipe, I guess when I bent it, or when I like smushed it, yeah, the one end is flush and the other end is like that. So I'm gonna cut it like right there, and then twist it, and then weld it back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. So for me, it'll be quite a few hours, but for you, it'll be instant. Okay, so it's next morning. I'm just gonna put in the vise, and yeah, I'm gonna cut it. There we go. Now I just need to find where I need to turn it, mark it, and then weld it back together. It's really windy, so that's why I had to cover it up. There we go. Got it back together. So let's go see if it fits right. There we go. That fits nice. Nice and flush at this end. Pretty flush at this end. Good enough. Now let's make this, put this on, see how it looks. Yeah, there we go. We just need to come down from there after we weld it on. Sweet. Okay, so I've just been getting paint off here so I can weld to it nice. And I think that looks pretty good. So now I need to do it at this end, right there. Okay, so I made this part right here, cut it out of that, as you can see, you can see where I cut it off of, and it's to mount onto here, and this goes with the brakes. So it mounts onto this, which goes right in there, and those are the brakes. So yeah, I just need to drill the holes so I can actually mount it. So this mounts onto the brakes, and then this mounts onto this. So this will be going across here, something like that, and then this will be going down like that. So I'm going to weld this on here, just like that. we go. I like that weld. That one's not quite as good, but nice. Now I gotta actually grind it down so that it fits in there nice. Okay, so yeah, you saw me weld it up and grind it down. Real nice and smooth. So now I just need to put the brakes on there, and I'll have to trim this down a little bit. I'm not sure how long I need of this, and then weld it on that piece. So yeah, I think that's gonna have to do it for today's video, guys. So hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and next time we'll go ahead and put this on, put the brakes on, and see if we can ride it again. So yeah, I'll see you next time.